Give me a moment, I gotta import some assets and I don't want you guys to see my folder structure because it's ugly. Okay, we're ready to start. Let's put on some music while we're here. I lost my music playlist for a second in the sea of playlists I have. That could have been bad. Okay. Alright, we're ready to go. Alright, so I've got my 3 little new ship textures down here. I'm going to just convert them into sprites. Sprites BTs. Move them into the sprite folder. Get into the sprite folder. And turn those into flipbook. It's gonna be a 1-frame flipbook. I'm gonna call you the shrimp ship. We're based off of shrimp. This guy, the crab flipbook, or the crab ship. Oof, look at him go crazy. You two are gonna be moved to the flipbook. Flipbook. There we go. Flipbook folder. And you, I'm just gonna make you not as crazy. Actually, I don't even need to do that. I can just change the frame rate. There we go. That's good. Okay, now where were we with the game? What asset was open last time I was working? What asset? What asset? Did I just not click OK? Oh well. Alright, back to our first level. Everything. So we've got wave 1 working, right? Check this. Yep, we got the movement. Firing working still. I shouldn't have tapped out to lower the music, but I did. And wave 1. Ah! This is alright. That's the end of the wave. Okay, so we've got wave 1. Easy. Easy. So let's make a new enemy now. Look at the sample blueprints that came with the Pixel 2D pack rope. Got enemies here. We're gonna look at the simple AI. Got the rodent. We'll look at our rodent friend, shall we? Open full blueprint editor. Got all of these. We've got the enemy container, the owned container. Got our def and hurt sounds. It has a movement widget. Very interesting. I believe the way this works is... I have no idea. You have a speed and a minimum cliff height. Upon rendering. The damage on touch component. There's a loot drop component and attack component. Interesting. Okay, I see. Alright, let's try this, shall we? Convert the changes. Convert the change. Hit. The default. There we go. What? No, I didn't mean to do this. Alright. Go back to our folder now. I'm gonna go to enemies. Create a new blueprint class based on the enemy state. Basic enemy. Maybe. Flying enemy with basic AI. Probably the one I want. So we're gonna create our shrimp ship here. We're gonna see what the default is. Ah, yes, it's this guy, and he follows you, I believe. That's what the default for this is. Okay. Unlit from the right. Lit. We want left. A good question. No, we want right. Right. The book we want is the shrimp ship. Yeah, I thought so. Shrimp ship, very big. Just scale. How big is our player? Port is right. Player ship's on a scale of 1. Player ship's on a scale of 1. Shrimp ship should also be on a scale of 1. Not turn it 1. I do want this to work very similar to the other one. Okay, damage on touch. Doesn't fire, huh? I can program that in. Damage on touch doesn't matter because everything kills it. Hit. What matters is the health component. Don't want these guys as tanky as their asteroids. I'm gonna take a quick look at their asteroids and see how much health they have. That would be 15, alright. You... Need a new particle effect for these boys as well. First things first. 15, where's your health component? 15, do not get knocked back. Flash on hit. Your flash work. 0.05, 0.05. The alpha. Five alpha on you. We'll keep that for now. how it goes. You asteroid. I want to duplicate this. Crimp it. The color of it. Or no. This. You and color. I'm gonna make you a deep orange. Orange, please. Orange. Thank you for the orange. There we go. Same effect, different color. The thing is, you don't have a depth effect. Like the asteroid. Oh, the asteroid doesn't either. I must have programmed it manually. Let's take a look. Factor on depths. Oh damn. I really did all this? Yo. Okay, anyways. Can I copy this? Copy function. There is a storm outside. Variable is our loop table. And your loot table is just power-ups, right? Right, I would just... Okay. Okay, I remember how this was done. So. Oh, excellent, actually. This is very easy. Up. Up. And spread power up. Go back to your event graph. Interesting. There's nothing here. Why is there nothing here? Well, I guess because it's in the... Interesting. Node is disabled and will be called... Oh, but it has a parent. But your parent node? No? On destroyed here. Event graph, nope, not what I meant. Control Z, add new event, override function. Event destroyed. All I need. You know, we're gonna delete this. I realized I could have made this so much easier on myself. Delete the shrimps. Ship by recreating just one of these boys. They're already in here. Everything's here. Look at this. Damage on tough. 10 here. Just change this color to the orange I wanted. On a hit, we do hit. Instead of the explosion, I want do I have that here? Component maybe? No. Maybe it's just raw in the event graph. Oh yes, the restart. Piercer Blaster, this is the game over hand. Oh, wouldn't be here. Yes, it would. Hitter, set visibility, vulnerable. Flip book, set visibility, book. Chain. Play sound 2D, here we go. Factor on deaf. Sound is deaf sound, which I have here, so common. Oh, common 20 or common 2? It's common 20. I was right. And just so I can make sure. Yep. I might duplicate this and distort it. Chip destroy. Let's distort this. Wait a second. Is this the oh wait, no, hold on, this is not what I want. I wanted the Q. What I wanted. Enemy ship down. I need to not click that. We want to get our mixer. Not our mixer, our modulator. Not our modulator, maybe our modulator. Not a modulator, our oscillator. I don't know what I'm doing that. There's a way I can distort this. Forget which one is continuous modulator. That's not what we want either. Mature. I don't even know what this does. I don't know what any of these do. I'm gonna fuck with them all. Add a Doppler effect. Make it more intense. This does nothing for me. Enveloper, I don't know what this is. But sure. What? 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 That's too complicated, 5me. Group control. Thanks. Sound class. Thanks. Leave parameter. Alright. I can't actually do many sound effects through here, I guess. Maybe I don't need. Here we go. Effects. I'm gonna do is, was it modulator that changes the I'm gonna modulate it. Keep the volume at 1. Bring the pitch down to 0.8. That way the pitch will be lower, and if the pitch is lower, it'll sound different. Right guys? That makes sense? Yep, there we go. Enemy ship down. You know what? I don't even need. I was gonna make like a dummy level, but what I'm gonna do actually is just this. There's the begin. Nope. Begin play. Nope. Event tick. Here we go. Begin play. Just turn that off. Ah, wait. No. You know what? Yes. No. Yes. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh. There we. Huh? There we go. I'm just gonna drop you in here right now. You don't have much functionality. You're just gonna be like an asteroid, but I just want to test. Oop. Didn't even change the appearance. Paper flip book. Rip chip. R. Oh. Because I didn't actually drag it. That's huge! I've made a mistake. This is now a boss fight. Oh, there he goes. There we go. I've made a mistake. It's huge. Okay. BP defects. What is this? Ah, okay. Not what I need. What I need now is the destroy actor on def. Spawn actors on def. You know what? Hold on. Report. Ah, that's not the one I want. I want is. Damn. I'm gonna have to control F this. We've got spawn loot. By the way, I want a lower rate for these guys. So 15 and 5. Asteroids are gonna be your main source of loot. Grant EXP, yeah, okay, sure. Ah, here's the def particle. Def. Duplicate you. Shrimp def. Ah yes, you can't use spaces in Unreal Engine. Shrimp def. The def of shrimp. Shrimp. Get that nice salmon shrimp color. Bam. Save that. Close that. Save this because I have it. Close this. I don't need it anymore. Def. Also go into the viewport now and make this a lot smaller. Scale should be 0.5. Now, how big you are now? We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. I want to add an emitter. No, that's not what I want, is it? What's it called? What's it called? Oh, I just added it as a flip book. E. Add another flip book. For the exhaust. Attach it to our scene. No, no, don't attach the scene to it. Oh, you know what? I think it is actually part of the scene. Okay, good, good. Exhaust. What are you called? FB explosion. Here we are. That make you a bit smaller, maybe 0.7 scale. And you're on top. So 1. Make you a bit smaller, 0.5. 5 is too small. 6. There we are. Now have our shrimp ship. Our box needs to be changed, however, to fit the box better. Let's add a sphere component. Sphere collision. Make it bigger. I like the sphere much more either. We'll go with the box. We'll go with the box. File, save. Let's go to the event graph. Add a range pack. We'll add this for now, but I won't touch it yet. I want to touch this. Don't need a spin rate. I'll go for the random speed, no problem. Angle is not a thing we're going to set. We're going to just set spin speed to a random thing. We're not going to add a rotation anymore. That's out of the bag. Angle is not going to be a thing. These guys are only going to move on the x-axis. So, I believe this will work, right? Yep, that works. Random speeds. Okay, okay. Okay, it's starting to work. It's starting to... Actually, it works already, huh? Clean up over here. This is all good. That. Okay. First thing I want is going back to the viewport. I'm going to add an overlap component, or actually just another sphere collision. That's a detection box. What this is going to do is this is going to detect the player's ship within range. We're gonna make this bigger. About yay big. Nah, probably bigger. I want this to be not hidden in game for debug purposes. And we're going back to the event graph. I'm gonna add a collision for on begin overlap. And the other actor is equal to get player character. If it is the player that you're overlapped with, I want you to do things. Right. This is true. Okay. I think I know what I want to do. I know what I want to do. Okay. But what I want to do is as soon as the player enters this, I want it create a variable. No, I want to turn on a variable. Player in sight. Actually, hey, this works. I don't want the circle to be like this, actually. I want it to be more this. Still bigger. It's going to be in front. It doesn't matter if you're behind. It's not going to turn around. Wow. Add an arrow component as well. The book. We're going to rotate 180 degrees. Basically, up here where the cannon is. For reference. Okay. This is better. So once you overlap, player in sights on. By default, this is off. Once it's on the tick, we're gonna get actor location. Get actor location of the player character. I'm gonna set value of the player Z, new variable, player Z. We're going to autocorrect this for the canon location, which is plus 50. I keep doing that. We're going to set the player Z, this location, minus 50, because that's how high the canon. Or actually, you know what? Let's make this a little bit better. Get a reference to our arrow. Get this actor location. Maybe that's not how I want it. Location. Get world location. I guess so. You want this broken apart. No, not set relative location. Wrong thing. Get world location. I'm gonna break this. You know what? No, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. I'm gonna keep it like this. Get player Z to. Alright. That's gonna be constantly set over time. What I'm going to do is hold on, how am I going to be doing this exactly? What I wanted to do is set the new location of our actor to So I want to add speed for variables. So I want it to move, but I want it to move at speed. It wouldn't necessarily be plus though. Gotta do some math in my head. Let's think about this. Let's think about this. So I want the ship to move at speed to the player Z location. Now what I can do... Okay. I think I know what I can do. That what I want this to be is that's always being set. Okay. This is gonna be a little more complicated. Or actually, B to the C, and then... Okay, I know what I have to do. I'm gonna have to break this into a function But that's later. What I do need to get right now is I have the player Z. I want this to be set to is the location of self. Get this. I want to do this Z minus this Z. I'll get the difference between the two Z's. Then we'll take 50 off of that. Set that to players. That'll get the difference in location. Hold on. I'm overthinking this. I'm breaking my brain. Hold up. What am I doing? I want the Z to end up with the thing. I can't do a branch here though. That's not how this works. Oops. Open something on the side. That's not how this works. I want the object to move. I gotta think mathematically. That's my problem. That's my problem. That's my problem. I have to think mathematically. Let's do this again. Z minus 50 is where I want to be. Now, this Z, that's where I want to be. I want this to be just for moving left, or rather it'll be moving down. We'll do another branch. Is greater than 0. If this is greater than 0, we'll set angle variable. Float set Z angle by 1 by default. True. For greater than 0, we have to go up, so our angle is 1. If it is false, set it to -1. Go down. Now, I want the Z be equal to this itself that won't make it stop. Have to do is okay. I've got ideas. I've got ideas. Right now, I want to add speed. I want to add about 5 maybe. Just a consistent vertical speed. This is actually going to be multiplied by the angle to make it negative or positive. Still going to be 5. So 5 times 1 or whatever, right? Do we want to lerp? No, we don't want to lerp. No, we don't want to lerp. Damn, I'm fucking my brain up right now trying to think of how to get this to work. But if we get it to work, then it's a done deal. So the Z will go towards the player in either direction, but it won't stop at this problem. That's the problem, right? If I put this in, what it's going to do is it's going to, oh. Hello, friend? Or I could just, you know, fuck up completely. Right. But something is wrong here. So I was gonna collapse this to a function. For macro action. Aim that. Move Z. Then I'll duplicate it. Another one that. Move X only. Delete all this and put it back to what it was before. Back to the event graph. I have a branch here. Is the player in sight? If true, we start moving on the Z, which is currently broken, unfortunately. If not, we move on the X only. That should work. So it did, but it keeps going down. Also, it's going very fast, I must say. What if I'm above you, huh? Start going up, but now I'm down and you start going down. Okay. That has to be bigger though. Note to self, that circle has to be bigger. Inappropriate questions! Now's not the time, Sarah. I'm trying to do advanced math, and by advanced math, I mean probably high school math. Okay, this is working. What I need to do is turn off that. And I'm on the wrong graph. I'm still on the wrong graph. Here we go. Alright. Okay, okay. Player is in sight. However, branch, that's what it is. Branch. If this Z is equal to player Z, don't move. That's what I need. Okay, DM me. DM me, don't ask me on on stream. I'll let you know. I'm not on stream. This should work. Keep moving. Nope. Goodbye. Oh, okay. Goodbye. You know what? Maybe because I'm asking for the wrong freaking Z. Ah, shit. You got me. You fucking got me, Sarah. What was I doing? Right. Get actor location. Break vector into components. Get the Z. That Z is equal to the player Z. Oh, well, he went down. Up, and then nope. Interesting. Interesting. Think I have to do this. Wow, my boy just wants to move down now. Wait, what? What? What did I do? Oh, maybe. Gotta do this. Not yet. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. Okay, we're partially there. Let me just make sure I have the right macros, named the right things. Yep, okay. Not yet. It's not ready yet. I'm actually still working on that off screen. I might have something about this. This might be the issue. Oh yeah, no, it would be boring if you're not into game design. So it still follows on the angle, but it won't go straight once the angle's right. Or maybe... Oh, that can't be it. Wow! Rude. Need to make this overlap hitbox bigger. That's something. I just saw what. Wait, did that just happen? Hmm. Ah, interesting. Ignore all except player pawn. What? Eh? Oh, because it's don't block the player pawn, overlap the pawn. Hello, friend. Would you like to? No, it's not going. So I go back into it. So it's not an overlap event we want. That only checks on the beginning of. No, we want something different. We want on hit, I believe. Or maybe not. I have to figure out a way to make this persistent. Has to be all function. Box overlap component. Need to add an event based on collision. Sleep and wake. Event called an underlying physics object is put to sleep. No, that's not what I want either. Damn. Okay, okay. What if I just remove this part completely? No, because then it won't be as cool. Or they won't do the thing I want them to do. They won't work as intended. Damn, I'm really stumped, team. We can do a begin overlap, no problem. Actually, maybe this is another tick function. Hold on. Maybe this is another tick function. And what I really want is a branch between the detection box app. There we go. Character. There we go. Don't need this now. You're overlapping the player character, set it true. And if false, set it false. We're starting to get something. Oh, I assume that's when it got killed though, right? Yeah, once it gets killed, we get that error. That's fine. That's a fine error to have. Interesting. Move Z isn't changed. Never checking where the character. Close this. Close this. These I keep clicking them by accident. Alright, alright. Where do I get the... Oh, that's in a tick. We're always getting or setting the player Z. We're always setting the Z. Why won't that update is the question. Why doesn't Z constantly update? It only updates. It only updates upon a new overlap event. But why is that? Look at the event itself. It'll start moving your Z towards a Z angle. Z angle should be changing. No reason the Z angle should not be changing. I do want to do. Wait, why is it still going down? Interesting. Starting to see some pattern here. What if I move that? And it keeps going. Why does it keep going even though the alignment is proper? Well, for now. I'm stumped. Thanks. I can go down here, then I can go up here, but nope, it stops. Here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and it follows. I know what it is. I know what it is. Maybe. I know what it is. Branch. This is equal. Get location. After 50. They're equal. I want it to move. That might be it. That if it's equal to 0, I want it to move X. Why is it doing that? I don't understand. Oh well, I'm gonna have to mull this over and I have to end the stream anyway, so I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time, I guess.